Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? I wanted to know whether I am audible or not. I hope I am audible. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Now, by putting your mics on, you can speak up in between whenever I ask you something. Okay. Otherwise, I need to go to the chat and see every time. Anyways, good morning. And today, as we had like in last class, we had discussed, and you have been informed that you all have to appear for an aptitude test. This aptitude test is based on the knowledge about the biology which you have acquired during your schooling. Okay, so in schools like till 12th standard, whatever you have attained or acquired, the knowledge about the zoology, botany, or biology, only that would be tested. It's a set of some 32 questions, and that's a cumulative score of 100. And there is no need to afraid of this test. These scores, the scores you receive, the scores you get in this aptitude test will be used for some other purpose, because as that day I have told you all that we have a mentoring system on the basis of the type of students we have got admitted in our college. So we want to assess them whether how much they have studied about the subject in their schools. So after that, after getting the score tabulated, we would categorize, not we exactly, there is another cell, the mentor cell. That mentoring cell would decide whom to be like a mentor and whom not to be. Anyways, so don't be afraid. At 12:15 the test will start. It's an objective type of questions. You need to just simply tick the right answer, and I think there is a negative marking too. Each question carries, I suppose, 3 marks, and some of the questions carry 4 marks in between, and there will be a negative marking for wrong answer. So be aware, be careful while answering. Answer only those questions which you know. Just don't simply by fluke you are ticking the answers without reading the answer, without knowing the answer. Don't give your response, otherwise there will be negative marking. Okay, so anything to be, any doubt you have regarding this? This is a usual process, this is a usual routine. Whenever the freshers come to our college, we do test in these terms. Every subject would test, I suppose, and they would prepare a tabulated chart in which they would say these students need some mentoring. Where, instead of getting these students categorized into different categories of good, average, and assistant needed, so we would usually do all the students under the mentoring system. We get all the students under the mentoring system. Anyways, it's a usual process. This is a process which is required by UGC norms and the NAC accreditation norms. So no need to get afraid of. Just give your responses to the questions being asked. Okay. Any doubt, any query, anything related to the aptitude test? This aptitude test has been installed on this app only under the test tab. So you need to go to the test tab. It's been time locked. So at 12:15 it will start and 12:45 it will be over. So be sure to finish your responses before 12:45. Okay? Otherwise, it will be closed. The test will be closed. Anything would you like to ask?
No, sir.
It's all clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then all the best for your aptitude test. This is not a big deal. The only thing we just wanted to know whether how much you have been knowing about the subject in your during throughout your schooling. So just simply give the responses. If you don't know the answer, don't respond it because there is negative marking being associated with the test. Okay. All the best and do the test. That's all for today. Give the
Okay.
test and you can. The class will be over. Sorry. Sorry.
Is there negative marking?
Yeah, it is there. It's there. One negative for wrong answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So uh, be sure about giving the answer. If you do not know, then leave it. Otherwise, it will deduct the marks for every wrong answer. I think it's 1 mark for wrong answer and 3 or 4 marks for right answers. Anything else would you like? Any query, any doubt?
No, sir. All clear.
Okay, then it's all clear then. All the best for the test. And it will start by 12:15. Okay? It's in the
Yes.
app only. And tell everybody else who is not in the class. Tell everybody else that you need to have you need to appear for this test, right?
Okay, sir.
If somebody is not there in the class, tell them by WhatsApp, by message, by call, whom you know. Otherwise, I'll put the message again in the group. I think I have put the message in the group also, WhatsApp group. Few more minutes to go for the test. 8 minutes more. Okay, that's all. All the best. And after finishing your
Thank you, sir.
the exam, the class will be over. Like we'll see you next week with our actual topic discussions. Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
the best. Thank you.